How's it going? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. My name's Shane Jaffe. I am the Manufactured Housing Expert. Today we're going to be taking you through 3 amazing opportunities, beautiful manufactured homes here in Carlsbad, California. We are just a stone's throw from the sand here and just minutes from Carlsbad Village. These are beautiful homes. They're homes most likely that you haven't seen very often on YouTube. So we hope you stick around. But first, if you're new to our channel, we tour several homes, tiny homes, manufactured homes, mobile homes, and park models every week. We also help you out with frequently asked questions. The purpose of the Manufactured Housing Expert is to help you make a more informed decision when purchasing a new or pre-owned home. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also ring that bell to be notified when we premiere videos. We hope you enjoy these amazing 3 deals here in Carlsbad, California. Thank you for staying tuned to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. We appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. It really does help out our channel. We're here for you, so it's greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance for hitting that like button. So for the first opportunity, it's a great deal here in Atlantic High Lane. Again, it's almost beachfront community. There is Pacific Coast Highway between the community and the sand. It's one of the few communities in Carlsbad where you're that close to the beach. We are also just minutes from Carlsbad Village. So let's jump into those 3 amazing deals. Space 58. The asking price is $139,000. If you want to see more information about this home, we provide the link in the description of this video. We did a full tour of that home. It is beautiful. When you first walk in, it's really open. The kitchen opens up to the living room and dining room, which is really popular with the floor plans today. You're also going to see a beautiful stainless steel chef range hood. It's awesome. I love it. A lot of natural light comes into this home because we have the skylights. We also have solar tube lighting in a couple areas of the home. So we really try to get as much natural light in the home as possible. So make sure you check out the link in the description. For home number 2, this home is a skyline home built in 2016. It's in beautiful condition. It's the original owners. They took amazing care of this home. Again, it has a factory built front porch. It's a half front porch. But what this home has, and not very many homes have in this community, is an attached garage. The value in an attached garage with a lot of storage space. It has a very high ceiling. So there's even storage space at the top in the garage is awesome. A lot of guys, men, women love that because we all have a bunch of junk. So you're going to want to check out that video. Oh, it also has a very large patio. It's a corner lot, so you only have neighbors on one side. It's also next to the common area where there's a bocce ball court and tables with some awnings. I call it the extension of the backyard, even though it is part of the common area. It's for all the residents in the community. So it's a beautiful home. You're going to want to check it out. Last but not least, the third home. It is a brand new Silvercrest manufactured home. It's very modern, has a huge kitchen island. It's the biggest kitchen island of any of these homes. It's also an open floor plan, and it has sliding glass doors, 2 of them. Has sliding glass doors in the living room opening out to the full-length porch, which is so awesome. To see it, you're going to have to see the video in the link below. So you're going to want to check out that. Unfortunately, it's not going to have an attached garage, but it's got something really cool and close to it. It's going to have a garage door, but we call them faux garages. It's actually, there's no sides or top. From the curb, it looks like it is a garage, and we're going to have the sliding glass, or not the sliding glass door, we will have a garage door. So that's really cool. Thank you for your time. We hope you enjoy the videos and the description of this video, and we appreciate those likes. We hope you like this video. Thank you for watching the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. See you next time.